How's it going, everyone? It's Curry Gaming back again with another video, and today I have a Hot Wheels Monster Trucks unboxing. So I went to Target today and I found a new doubles pack for Hot Wheels Monster Trucks, and it is Bigfoot 10 versus Snakebite number 9, and these are two paint schemes from the 90s. So these look very cool. Let's unbox them and check them out. So here are the trucks. We're gonna start with Bigfoot 10. So Bigfoot 10 is obviously a normal pickup truck casting. It's the Ford quad cab, as we call it, or crew cab. It's got the nice metallic blue paint. It's got a little stripe going down the hood and the roof there. You got the old Hot Wheels logo from the 90s, and then the racing stripe on the side. It says Bigfoot. Then the Bigfoot sponsors along with the monster truck symbol. The headlight and grille printing is very nice on this one. They normally do that for Bigfoot, which is kind of interesting. Same graphics going on this side, and then it says Bigfoot on the tailgate. So that's really cool. Oh, and it's got white rims, of course. But it'd be really cool if they brought back, you know, the old Ford body that they used for like Blue Thunder and the first two World Finals commemorative trucks. That would be cool if they brought that back for a Bigfoot casting. That'd be awesome. But well, we'll see what else Hot Wheels has in store for the rest of the year for Bigfoot and Snakebite and whatever. All right, so that's Bigfoot. Now let's check out Snakebite. So this is the 90s. This is supposed to be a representation of Snakebite 9. It's got the, you know, the red paint. You know, what's funny is when I first saw this, I thought it was matte painted, but it's actually glossy painted. So that's interesting. And the scales are not textured on this one. Or actually, no, they kind of are, but not super. So you got the eye right there, and then you got the fangs on the front, the old Hot Wheels symbol along with the Snakebite logo. You got the monster truck symbol right there. More reptile scales. Nothing on the tailgate. Nothing on the roof either. You got the Snakebite logo again. So same stuff going on this side. And this is a cool rim combination. Green rims with white beadlocks. That's very cool. Alright, so that is the 90s 2-pack containing Bigfoot 10 and Snakebite 9. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.